This question over here talks about that blue is one object of sensation, green is another, and the consciousness of both the sensations, blue and green, they have in common, but they are different from each other. Now you have to justify over here that how Moore is refuting idealism. Moore refutes idealism by attacking on Berkeley's idealism, which is assist a percipi. To be is to be perceived. Now, what is Moore saying over here? That let's break down the question, that there are four things over here. One is blue object of sensation, right? One is green object of sensation. Another thing, one is blue consciousness of the sensation, and another is green consciousness of the sensation. There are four things in the question. But what the idealists do, they say that the blue object and the sensation of that blue object, the consciousness of that, it is similar. Similarly, this is what they talk about the green object of sensation and green consciousness of sensation. So basically, Berkeley says in his Assist a Percipi that all the reality is mental. The ideas and the reality being mental is the fundamental truth. But now Moore refutes this idealism, and he gives his theory of common sense defense, right? So let's break down this question over here. This I've already told you, that he attacks Assist a Percipi, and he says that the object of consciousness is very much different from the subject or the act of the consciousness. In my introductory class, I have already told you that the debate in the Western philosopher is regarding the subject and the object duality. So Moore is bringing up this duality. What he is saying, that the object, okay, the blue color, and the sensation of the blue color, the consciousness itself or the act of blueness, these are two different things over here. Okay? Unlike the idealist who try to mix it into one, he is saying that these two things over here, they have the external relationship. Is it clear? Now, what is the object part? The blue color itself, it can be green, it can be red, right? It is the objective content. It changes from one experience to another, right? Duality Moore is bringing over here. And what is this act of consciousness? It is the subjective content. Okay, it has a common thing to all the different experiences over here. Okay, so this is how you are going to address your answer. And after writing the refutation of idealism, after discussing or showing on in the answer this object and the subject, both parts separately, you are going to sum up the answer in two more lines and supplement it by saying that in context of this, Moore has given few arguments like strong evidence, like dream-wake experience, right, as the common sense realism. Is it clear?